Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Leaf. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle, as the car needs to detect it to power on. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the power system. Finally, locate and push the power button, usually blue, to bring your Leaf to life. You'll hear a chime and see the dashboard illuminate, indicating it's ready to drive. For your Nissan Leaf to start, the key fob must be present inside the vehicle's cabin. It doesn't matter who holds it, as long as it's detected. Once the key fob is recognized, the next step is to apply firm and consistent pressure to the brake pedal. This action signals to the car that you are ready to operate it safely. Without this crucial step, the power button will not activate the vehicle. With the key fob inside and your foot on the brake, it's time to press the power button. This button is typically blue and clearly marked, often located near the steering wheel. A single press is all it takes to initiate the startup sequence. You'll notice the dashboard lights up, displaying various indicators and a ready light, confirming the vehicle is now active and prepared for driving. Once the dashboard illuminates and the ready indicator light appears, your Nissan Leaf is fully powered on and ready for your journey. You can now shift the gear selector into either drive or reverse, depending on your immediate needs. Remember to release the parking brake if it was engaged. Enjoy the quiet and smooth operation of your electric vehicle as you begin to drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.